How do insurance claims work when only part of a collectible set is damaged? Have you ever wondered what happens when only part of your beloved collectible set gets damaged? It can be a stressful situation, but understanding how insurance claims work can help ease your mind. Let's break it down step by step. First, it is essential to have detailed documentation of your collectible set before any damage occurs. This means taking clear photographs of each item, noting purchase dates, prices paid, and any appraisals you have. This information is vital to prove ownership and value during the claim process. When you file a claim for partial damage, the insurance adjuster will focus on the specific items that were harmed. The undamaged pieces will typically retain their value and are not included in the claim payout. This means the claim will center on the damaged items, their condition before the incident, and their individual market value. Next, the insurer will assess the value of the damaged pieces. They will look at replacement costs, fair market value, or agreed appraised value based on your policy terms. Keep in mind that depreciation may be applied if the items show wear and tear. For antiques and collectibles, expert appraisal is often necessary to establish a fair valuation. When submitting your claim, be sure to clearly indicate that only certain items in the set are damaged. Provide supporting evidence, such as photographs and purchase documentation. If you discover additional damages later, you can request extensions or submit supplementary claims. Another important aspect is the salvage and residual value of the damaged items. If they still hold some value, this may be factored into your claim settlement. Sometimes, damaged collectibles can be repaired or restored, which can influence the payout amount. The insurer may ask you to keep the damaged items or agree on salvage terms before finalizing the claim. Disputes can arise regarding the extent of damage or valuation, especially with unique or rare collectibles. If you find yourself in such a situation, consider seeking independent appraisals or using your policy's appraisal provision to involve a neutral expert. Having clear, detailed documentation and expert opinions can strengthen your position. Finally, always review your insurance policy to understand coverage limits and exclusions. Some policies may have specific sublimits for collectibles, which can impact your claim payouts. In practical terms, maintaining an up-to-date inventory of your collectibles is crucial. When damage occurs, focus on documenting the affected items thoroughly and communicating clearly with your insurer. This approach helps ensure you receive fair compensation for the damaged parts of your collectible set while preserving the value of the undamaged pieces.